Hi guys, I just want to do a quick review on the X3 TopTier mop that I received today. Not going to do a demonstration because I've already used the mop to clean the entire apartment and I'm not going to refill it and waste water just for that. Literally, it's a mop. You put the mop in one place. It's not that difficult. So, not going to do all of that. So this is, I just want to show you how small, and I want to show you the footprint of the mop bucket in itself. This little area right here is where all of my cleaning supplies, cleaning tools rather, are. So the only place I could really put this is right underneath, because I'm not going to hang that on anything. I want to be very cautious of that because this is just plastic. Sure, somebody may try to take the handle and hang it, but I'm not going to do that. So this is it, and the mop itself is here. It's up against the wall because, like I said, I used it earlier, and I took the pad off. It's being washed right now, so that's why there's no pad on it. But this is how it comes, or once you put the mop together. So I'm just gonna try to make this as quick as possible. I have a few things. This is actually, first of all, this is the second mop that I received because I had to get a replacement. The first one was broken upon arrival. Luckily, I held on to it because of some other facts here that I'm going to get into. So I have the first one sitting right next to it. It comes just like in this box. It comes in this box just like this. Sorry, just one moment. Then you see I ripped off the shipping label because I need to return it. This is how it came. It came in this manufacturer's box like this. There was no outer package, no outer box. And then once I opened it, and it, this plastic flimsy bag was just covering this. There was no cardboard on here. There was no foam on here. Literally just this, like this. And this is so close to the top. Like, it's literally touching the knob. It's touching the knob. And yeah, I'm pushing it down just a little bit. But with tape, that's what tape is going to do anyway. Once you get this folded, once you fold this down into itself, that's exactly what it's doing, is it's touching. Anyway, well, I'm saying that to say that it arrived broken. So because there's no protective anything. So I took this off, and I just want to show you why I'm returning this. It's broken. As you can see, you have two sides that have this push, or supposed to have this push button on both sides. This one's good. This one was broken off. And as you can see, it's down. Well, you can't see it yet, but let me get to that. So, and then the poles itself, they connect together to make the big long pole. And as you see, it was broken. Because this is this has a function, these parts, and it's supposed to be like this all the way around, and it's broken off. And there's the pieces down in the bottom. That's the other push button. It was just like this when I got it, and the handle as well. So just be very careful to check your pieces to make sure that they're not broken off like this, or otherwise you may have some issues. And sure, it does come with a lifetime warranty, which I don't remember where I put it. I just want to show you from the first one. So yeah, it does it does come with a lifetime warranty. So I guess you could absolutely have kept this one. I don't know. I just wanted one that wasn't broken, right? If I just bought it. So I did make sure to activate that on the new one. So if it breaks any other point, I will get replacements. So anyway, so I'm glad that I kept the broken one, because that actual piece, the extension, this was the one that came out of the new one. So, and it's broken. You guys, like, it came the exact same way, same box, no padding, no anything, and I was like, okay, maybe it's okay, and I took out, and it was broken. I was like, oh my god. So, luckily though, the one that was in the original one, this piece by itself was not broken, so I just swapped them, thank goodness. Otherwise, I would have had to replace 2 of these mops at the same time, and they probably would have been like, what are you doing? Are you breaking these on purpose? No, they just keep coming to me broken for some reason. All right, I'll get it back in there later. Anyway, real quick, so just be very careful of that. It does come with 3 towels, or I don't know what those are. They go on the top of the this thing right here, right? So you got 1, and then you got your other 2 in there. I do need to kind of see how to do this properly, because I was really trying to get that first one off of there, and I couldn't get it off of there very well. So I definitely want to check into that. All right, so real quick on the mop, the one that is not broken that I got today, I used it again. Works perfectly fine, no issues. This is how it looks. There's your drainage plug for your dirty water, which comes in to here. Your mop only fits in this center part. It doesn't fit in here. It doesn't fit in here. It only goes in here, guys. I saw a review earlier that said, oh my god, this mop doesn't fit. What a waste of money. And I was like, because you're putting it in the wrong spot. It doesn't go in here. It doesn't go in here. It goes in the middle. So that's where your mop goes. As you're cleaning it, it squeezes the dirty water into this compartment right here. This knob, you turn it like this with a little bit of force, because it does have like a spring function in there, to bring your water from your cleaning solution water into here. And that's how that gets in there. So you don't need to worry about trying to dip your mop into the cleaning solution. It comes into here, and then this is where you dip your mop, and it cleans itself while you're doing that with these whatever they are. I don't know what they are, but it cleans it. So yeah, that's really it. Like, very simple. Very simple. The only complaint I would say is with this cleaning solution or clean water, they should have a plug on this side as well, drainage plug, because when I used it, I did have quite a little bit of water left in there because I used too much water. And the only way to really kind of get it out is you get the dirty water out first, plug it back in, take the top off, and then flip it over and dump out the clean water. It's like, just put another plug right here on this side. Oh, and there's the grid lines you can see. So earlier I couldn't get a good picture. So you got some grid lines in here that tells you where your water level, you don't want to go above that top water level line right there. I actually didn't even go all the way up, and I still had too much water. I was at the second to the next one down, and I still had a lot of water left over in this chamber. So anyway, and then your handle is very flush into the top part of the mop. So the really only way you can get this is kind of lift it just like that. So there you go. So I love it. Gonna be using it probably every 2 weeks, and I hope you like it. Thank you.